Hi, it's Randy. I wanted to talk to you just a little bit more about who I am, so you know who you're dealing with and who's on the other side of this video. A lot of the videos that I've been shooting and a lot of the articles that I write, it's all about real estate and how we can help you buy or sell real estate, and that's valid, good information. But at the end of the day, you want to know who you're dealing with, and you want to know who I am and what I'm about. So let me tell you, I am a real estate agent. I've been in business for quite some time now. And my main reason for being in this business originally was so that I could provide for my two small children. I'm a single dad, and I wanted to have the flexibility to be able to be there for them and pick them up from school and be present as a dad for my kids. So that was the reason why I got into the business. Once I got into the business further, I realized there was a heck of a lot of great benefits to being in the business too. And it's not about a paycheck, it's about helping people out of distressed property situations, helping people find their first home, help people sell their home and make money in the process and service their family in that way. So there's a lot of benefits that I'm realizing every day just being a part of the business. And I take pride in what I do. My business is my baby. It's just like my two children. It's another baby of mine. I love it, I nurture it, and I'm constantly trying to grow as a person, as a business professional, and as an agent for you and your friends and colleagues. I'm here all the time. I work 7 days a week. And I try to make sure that I'm always available. So if you have a question, you can call me or text me, and I'm always available. That's something that's very important to me because I know a lot of agents don't do that. And it's something that we really need to do because sometimes you have questions in the middle of the night, or you're scared, you're concerned, you don't really know what to think about something, and you want answers from your agent. And I want to be your agent, but I also want to be your friend. I want to be someone who you can lean on and trust. And that's what I would love the opportunity to be able to earn, your trust in your business. Reach out to me anytime. I'd be more than happy to talk to you. We can have lunch, talk about more about your dreams, your needs, your wants, and go from there. Thank you so much. My number is 818-294-0414, or of course, click around the website and you'll see more about me, my team, and how we can help. Thanks.